Hello everybody, I am Mrs.S.Shanmugavalli, Assistant Professor from KCS Kasinaru College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about comments in PHP. What do you mean by comments? Comments are non-executable lines of text in the code that are ignored by the PHP interpreter. So the only purpose of using comment statement is to understand by the reader for what purpose the part of the code is used. What is the purpose of comment statement? Comments are an essential part of any programming language. So it helps the developer to understand the code, provide explanations, and make the code base more maintainable. There are two types of commands, single line command and multi-line command. Single line commands are used for brief explanations or notes that fit on a single line. The single line command begins with either double slash or hash symbol. This is an example for single line command. Here within the PHP tag, we have double slash, that is single line command statement, which will be ignored by the interpreter. And the echo statement is used to display a message in the browser. So the output of this program will be good morning. Multi-line comments. It is also known as block comments. It is used for longer explanation or when you need to comment out multiple lines of code. It begins with slash asterisk and ends with asterisk slash. This is an example for multi-line command. Here within the PHP tag, we have the multi-line command. The next statement will print a welcome message which will be ignored by the interpreter. And within the echo statement, we have welcome home. So this welcome home will be printed in the screen. Thank you for watching the video.